everyone, how are you doing? I'm back in this magical place where I was with Michelle Ann a few weeks ago before the lockdown began. I'm going to do a reading from Oracle of the Fairies and see what the fairies have got to say about all of this malarkey that's going on. I hope you're coping okay. I know it's very challenging for many of us because we're in uncertain times, so we don't really know what's happening, but we do know what's happening when we go within. There is a still, calm place within everybody, and we can reach that space through meditation, being peaceful, and just observing the still silence that is within everybody. And if you don't feel that you can do that on your own, then you can certainly go onto YouTube. There are lots of videos on there that help you to do this. And also, my fellow Hay House author, Gabby Bernstein, has also created a video, a free workshop with lots of techniques to help you deal with anxiety and things that might be coming up for you at this time. And there's also some things for parents, people with children, because the children need our guidance too at this time. So I'll have a little shuffle. It's so good to be out in nature on my daily exercise. Oh, there you go. I think a card just fell out. Can you see it? Shine from within. Looks are only skin deep. True beauty shines from within. And it's time for you to shine. This is a time for self-acceptance and for revealing your true beauty. Okay, so shine from within. Now, I know this card has come up before, but it's very relevant right now because your light is going to be a beacon for many other people. So even though whatever's going on for you right now inside, shining your light is of the utmost importance at this time. Shine your light, shine it bright, and let others see this light, because it will inspire and help them in their journey during their own challenges that are going on for them at this time. And when you shine your light, it also charges you up inside. So you'll be recharged yourself and you'll recharge other people, those around you. And the light will radiate. There's a saying about the light of one candle can light many other candles. So when you're shining your own light, you're also helping to ignite the light within others. And that's a beautiful thing to do. So think about shining your light. And as I'm saying this, the sun is actually coming out, which is really beautiful. And it's affirming what I'm saying about shining your light. Shine it bright, shine it strong. Tune into your own light for strength during these challenging times, and together we will all get through this. Do feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to message me and leave your comments about what you're doing to get through these times. How are you spending your time? Are you finding that you're being more creative? If you are, do let me know and share with others what you're doing. Until the next time, I'll see you again soon. Lots of love, light, joy and magical fairy blessings. Take care. you.